Hey, you scared me there, Smokey.
The world is literally at stake.
Say that again?